who's going to go over getting that. We need as many people going right as possible.
Little guy, with us.
Some of the quick people
go
right as possible.
What's going on?
Make sure you guys watch the guns. Don't let them touch him.
We need somebody to go left.
I'll go left.
Yeah, don't worry about left. You got plenty of people going left.
Oh, okay. What do you want me to do?
Don't let them take the castle, boys. Remember, 3 people to respawn. If you can get in their base, it'd be awesome.
I think I'm going to stand up on top.
Don't be quiet. Yeah, just make sure they don't take the castle, because otherwise they can shoot down on us all day. Where are you going, Will?
You want me to go up, Will?
Will, where are you going? I'm going to go that way.
Where are you going?
I don't know.
I was going to try to stay here and cover the spawn area.
Alrighty. I'll go up top.
You go up here?
Yeah.
Right side's coming up quick! Right side's coming up quick! Look down, look down! You got people on right side! You got people on right side coming up! You got people coming up, watch your stairs! Right side, top stairs! Right side, right side! Right side top! Right side top! Watch right side, second floor. Right side, third floor. Right side, third floor. Third floor. Second floor. Got 2 ups.
I don't know.
Third floor, right side. What do you got left? Third floor. What's going on down low? Gong! He's out before. Bottom or top? Top side, left hard top. You didn't get out? What? I put so much paint on that guy. Oh, did he get it? Oh.
I had my teammate shoot me right in the face, man, as I was coming back.
Oh, did he
Here's
really?
that guy.
That's fine, though. At least they didn't shoot me in the shirt where I took my body off. Oh, happy about that.
I laid so much
Did
paint
you see
on
his
that guy.
feet up there?
What?
Up there, did you see his feet? It was off when you were like down here.
No.
Yeah, I thought you were carrying it.